Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change Shopify URL. Let's get started. So let's first see what our Shopify URL is. So let's head over and click on this eye icon just beside the online store, and then it will open a new window wherein we can see our URL. So as you can see, my URL is f318e7-fa.myshopify.com. So if I want to actually change it, what I can do is I can head back to the dashboard, click under the settings right here, and then from in here, just scroll down until you can see the option in here for domains. Click on domains right here. Now you have the option to buy a new domain or connect an existing domain. So what we can do is we can click on this change to new myshopify.com domain. And then for example, let's put in here Lala Tiara. And then as you can see, it will show if this particular domain or URL is available. So click on this ad right here if it is available. And then once you have done that, as you can see, it will change right here. So let's exit this. And now let's head over and click on this eye icon again. And then this will open our store. And it will take some time for the actual domain in here to open. But once you head over and then just type in here lalatiara.myshopify.com, you can actually head over to the specific domain that we have right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon!